Okay, this is the activity that you're going to create. So you're going to create a web page containing three HTML documents. So this is the default, or this is the index.html. So this is the home page containing four images. So you will replace those images with your pictures. So apat na picture yan. So dagdagan natin, gawin natin 8 pictures, ipapalit natin. So dadagdagan nyo pa ng additional 4 pictures na picture nyo ang gagamitin natin. So you have here 8 pictures pag sinabit nyo sa akin. So by default, ito ang madi-display, which is the home page. So that is the pictures. Okay? So when you click the link about, so it will move to the other page, which is about, and you will describe yourself here. It tells something about yourself. And the third page would be contact. So the contact information ilalagay niyo sa diyan. Now, as you can see, you will see another link below the contact, which is return to home page. So when you click the return to home page, it will go back to the home page, which is the pictures by default. Same with about, you have the return to home page. So when you click it, it will go back to the picture. And one thing more with the images, when you click the images, the source will be displayed. Okay, 11.jpg will be enlarged, will be displayed. So when I click this button or back, it will return to the home page. So those pictures, okay, are enlarged when every time I click it. Okay, so what else? So look at the name of the tag, home page. So when I click about, it changed to about page. When I click the contact, it changed to contact page. So again, when I click the return to page, it will go back to the index uh, .html, which is picture. Okay, these are the files that I use. Okay, there are 4 images and 3 documents. You're going to create a 3 HTML document. So that's it. So the deadline will be posted together with this video. Okay, that's it. Bye.